Welcome. My hair looks weird, my eyes look weird, and I sound weird. I'm sick. I'm really sorry. Um, but yeah, this is the Hydroponic Day 23/24 update. I'm going to try to make it pretty quick because, as I said, I need to get back to sleep. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so starting off with our CO2 ppm. Since it's too humid in there, we have to go like this. And it looks like we're running at 70% humidity, 470 CO2 ppm, and 23 degrees Celsius. Now let's open it up and make our observations. Alright, so looking into this, lots of humidity in the walls, plants are getting big, and they're all kind of growing in this tower type thing, which resembles a lot of what they look like when they're going to seed, which is kind of interesting, but I guess we'll kind of have to see what happens. I don't see any tip burn at all, so this is amazing. And then below the tank, everything looks really great. Not a lot of water consumed, so that's good. And that's probably due to the humidity. It's helping to keep them in check, because the cells need to stay, my assumption is that the cells need to stay hydrated, and if the atmosphere is humid enough, they can just do that. Anyway, let's get into our pH, ppm, and EC. We'll start with the right tank. Kind of interesting. Our pH is down to 5.42. So I will dose some pH up today. Let's check the ppm and EC. Looks like our ppm is running at 686, 1372 for EC, and 23.2 degrees. Let's check out our left tank. Looks like our left tank pH is running at 551, or 5.51. So let's graph that and let's check ppm and EC. Looks like our ppm is running at 1001. EC of 2002, interesting how that works, just double, and temperature of 23.0. Anyway, let's check out our graphs. Kind of some interesting stuff. So, on the right tank, we have kind of this interesting thing happening. We have the ppm and the EC dropping, and the pH dropping as well. Temperature did go down, so it shows that it really did go down, truly, and it wasn't just the temperature change. CO2 ppm is the same, of course. And then the humidity is rising, as it should. And then on the left tank, we see kind of an inverse effect. We see a rise in ppm and a rise in EC, along with a rise in the pH, which is kind of interesting. However, both tanks are still really low on pH, so I will applicate some pH up right after this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Tune in for tomorrow's update. Not shout out, just a quick thing. I will not be here for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.